Bessie, mamaya na lang ako mag-e-explain sa'yo ha. Basta please lang, huwag ka muna pumasok para ikaw yung makatanggap ng package delivery, please.
Teka nga, nakakaloka ka, Beshi. Anong package? Hindi mo sinasabi sa akin na meron ka palang expected delivery today. Siyempre ngayon mo sasabihin sa akin kung kailan papunta ka na ng airport. Ang galing mo talaga.
Bakla. Mamaya na ako mag-explain sa'yo ng bonggang-bongga. Promise, basta, I love you. I love you, bakla. Thank you, bye-bye.
Love you mo mukha mo.
Ay, oo nga pala. Kailangan ko nga pala tong i-vlog. Wait. Ay, paano yung lipstick ko? Mukha naman ako maayos. Baka nga sabi ko sa'yo, road to KMJS tong nararamdaman ko. Okay, 1. Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys! For today's video, I am your online tourist guide. I'm your Binibining Marikit! Today kasi is the big day of my life because you know what? You know why? You know why? Face reveal na ko na shota ko. Oo! Naku! Miss Jessica Soho, shoutout sa'yo. Pang KMJS to! Inaabangan talaga to! Kaya naman, see you!
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie pie! Where na you? Lapit namin kasi. I'm on my way. Go to the airport.
I arrived an hour early.
You eating na ba?
Yes, sweetie, but there's a big problem.
Victor, you have a problem again?
So, the airport officers, they apprehended me and isolated me in a room. Now, they won't release me.
What they did to you? Anong ginawa nila sa'yo?
Listen carefully, sweetie. Calm down so you can think straight and help me, okay?
No, sweetie, I cannot calm down.
So, sweetie, what you need to do is we need to raise 150,000 pesos so that I could get out of here.
150,000?